Rishabh, welcome back to the studio. I
Thanks.
appreciate you stopping by.
No, thanks for having me.
So today what we did was a couple of weeks ago we did this video wherein Rishabh educated all the audience about how to get to pay for other child's education without you actually spending it out of pocket. Whatever your state liability is, you are going to be able to use it in the sense that we as a community can help each other. So today it's my honor that I'm able to help pay for Rishabh's kids' education. It's not like I'm donating money, it's like I'm donating money towards his child's education, but at the same time, it's going to come off of my tax liability for the state. So that's what we want to talk about. It was easy. The way I did it, Rishabh, is you send me that link wherein it has already pre-populated with his child's name and the institution that he's going to. So he's going to New Vistas. So it's already pre-populated. I just clicked on the link, registered my name, logged in, and it's as simple as purchasing anything. I was able to donate $2,483, right?
That's right.
2483. That's the limit as to how much you can do it for the state. So that's what I did because it's the tax season 2022. If you want to donate, if you want to make a difference in the community, even if you don't have a child that is going to a private school, you can do it. And me and my wife were able to do this. So Rishabh, you want to add anything to this process?
No, I think, first of all, thank you, right? I know you don't directly gain any money out of this, but how long did it take? I think it took a minute to create the account, a minute to actually make the contribution, and a minute to download the receipt. So in 3 minutes, you made such a big difference in someone else's life in this case. But I think it's nice for you to see firsthand how easy it is. And then when you are able to talk to anyone in the community, you can personally vouch for it from that perspective. So very simple. And some people might have already filed taxes, but doing an amendment is actually super easy to do, whether you do it yourself or you have an accountant doing it. But you can still make the contribution, download the receipt, and just email the accountant and said, hey, I forgot to email you this tax credit receipt. Can you please process it? That's very easy. And if you're doing your own taxes, it's very easy.
Right. So if you have not contributed yet, so this is your chance for you to do it. If you have questions on this, Rishabh has volunteered his time. You can reach out to him and he can show you how to do this. If you want to get help for your kids, or if you want to contribute to his kids' education, or anybody's for that matter. So we as a community, it's a terrific opportunity for us to come together and do it. This is what our YouTube channel is about. This is what Sunil and all his team does it, wherein you can get information. So if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please do subscribe and comment if you have donated already, so that we as community can mutually inspire each other. So
Yep.
Rishabh, thank you so much for stopping by and showing it to me firsthand. Instead of just calling me, you said, okay, I'll come and show it to you, and we were able to do it fast. So thank you very much.
Cool. Thank you.